Okay, it's 11 o'clock. I have to get out of here. And I've got everything ready to go, my bag. Let's hit the road and see what happens. 3 hours till I need to turn up at the cruise terminal. And yeah, let's make a move. We're walking to the town area where I have about 3 hours to kill. It's me and my bag. Bit of shot. Deliberately walking in the shade here because otherwise I'll get too hot. It's now 25 past 1. I'm still making my way. Could cross over, but it's alright. A bit more of the Southampton. Okay, so getting closer now. There's an interesting looking gate there. There's the city cruise terminal right there. Guyana. It's a decent car carrier. It looks like a car carrier. There's my ship there. The guy who helped me was very friendly and chatty and told me about the pier that the Titanic was on here. Luggage drop off. Well, that'll be me, I'm guessing. Oh, you're here on your lonesome. And here he is, or she is. Msc Virtuosa. There's another ship too in as well. Smaller ship. One of many photos I'm going to be taking, a video. Okay. It's the Horizon Cruise Terminal. As I walk up. Fluffing around with my papers and things, making a YouTube short of 15 seconds. Not long at all. Let's get into the right place with the bags. Look at the bags, man, there's heaps of them. First time I've actually seen all the bags like lying down like that. Right. Bag checked in. Now I check in. Okay. Check in time. Security. Probably no cameras allowed. Let's go. We go. Okay, you can see it there. Bit of a queue there. It's alright, the ship's not going anywhere without us. You turn the camera on. Okay, we're here. Exploring begins. We'll get used to it very quickly.
Located on deck 5 or to call 99. Thank you.
should find my room, I guess. 9130. I have no idea which area, which end I'm supposed to be in. So we're going to find our room now. Room 9130. Have a look at this theatre first. Oh wow. Okay, it's a big theatre. At night it'll get pretty full. And there'll be shows and things you'll be able to go to. Well, it's given up on the lift for now. Do some exercise anyway. It's only 3 floors. I'm already on 8, I think. One more. This is my floor. I'll go through here to my room, 9130, to work out what side of the ship I'm on and all that sort of thing. Cool, here comes some bags. Okay. There we are. Just like that. This is my room for the next 2 weeks. Very nice. Looks very comfy. If I feel like a coffee, I could make one. That's me there. It's not that warm, so I'm wearing a jersey. Okay, the coat hangers, great. Okay. Pretty standard. There we go, there's a fridge there too. You can put alcohol in it or whatever. Whoa, it's nice to be on a cruise ship again after 11 months. This is the first one since then, since November. Oh, I've got lots of coat hangers on both sides. And importantly, there's the that looks like a US plug and a USB key, USB, which is good. And we've got these plugs over here, different plugs. I think I've got both in my bag. So yeah, I might just take the backpack off now and go and do some more exploring. Oh, there you go. That's the emergency signal. Okay, I'm going to go and have a bit more of a look. It's 3 o'clock now. So my room 9130 is where it's shown there, sort of in the middle towards the front. So I have to work out where the restaurants and all that sort of thing fit into everything. Okay, oh, some bags have started arriving. Try to find the lifts. There we go. That's what it says exit. Just working out where everything is. This looks like it. To get outside. There's like restaurants. Okay, that's good. I can see a table tennis table. I see spas. I need a spa. So we'll definitely have a spa. Deck. Oh, it's quite warm out here actually. very nice. Okay, let's have a quick look on the other side of the ship. Breeze is cool. Alright. Have some food. This is one of the buffets, the buffet. This is a proper lunch if you want. Got early for dinner here. It's a nice view out here. Oh. Look around this side and then this dessert, eh? Beautiful. It's a bit quieter. Too cold to swim today. Maybe tomorrow though.